Hi Year 9, this is going to be a revision lesson and this is going to be spread over 2 lessons. So by the end of the lesson you'll be able to recap different religious views on capital punishment. As you can see, there's a quote here, an eye for an eye, that you have covered. So to recap then, the aims of punishment, you have got 4 methods of punishment on your screen. Can you, on your paper, device or whiteboard, write down what you think the aim of each punishment is? So pause the video now and tell me what the aim of prison is, community service, capital punishment and electronic tagging is. For example, prison might be used as a deterrence. So prison is the theory of protection. It's to protect the public, and it could be used as a deterrence too. Community service is a theory of reform, so to punish people so they become better people. Capital punishment is a theory of retribution, to punish someone and make them pay for a crime that they have committed. And electronic tagging is a theory of deterrence, to put people off doing a crime. So the master task is to replace the punishment for each aim. It must be different to what I've already used. So for example, the theory of reform, can you use something else other than community service? You are going to play a game now called Blankety Bible. Ideally, this should be on a whiteboard. If you can't use a whiteboard, then you can use anything else, or your device, or you can use your paper. So you're going to fill in the missing word of the quote on your device, paper, or whiteboard. There is a quote that's going to come on the screen. I want you to write that quote down, or the missing words down. Okay, so for example, love your bleep. Okay, you are going to fill in that missing word that I have not said. Forgive not blank times but blank times. So I want you to pause it now and fill in the missing spaces. So forgive not 7 times but 77 times. If you have got it correct, I want you to tick it. You shall not commit, pause it now, murder. You shall not commit murder. Love your, pause it now, neighbour. Love your neighbour. You might have learnt this in year 7. Treat others how you wish to be, pause it now, treated. So you have got this line that I want you to draw on your paper, whiteboard or device. So it's going to go from strongly agree to strongly disagree on whatever device you are using. You have got the statement, the death penalty is the best punishment. I want you to think about where you stand on this line. And I want you to think of one reason why you have got that opinion. The master task is to include religious evidence in your response. And you are going to upload this task onto class charts. So drawing an arrow, to recap, drawing an arrow on this line to where you stand. So you might be in the middle, so you strongly agree or strongly disagree. So you're in the middle, or you might strongly agree with this, or you might strongly disagree with this, and explain why. So your plenary is just 30 seconds. You are going to time yourself 30 seconds. So you can use your phone or a watch to discuss either Islamic or Christian attitudes to the death penalty. Now your master task is to use a quote in your response, and you are going to do this without repeating any words, going off topic or saying or hesitating. Once you have done that and perfected your 30 seconds, you can go and try it with other people in your household to show your opinion and show your learning. Your plenary for today's lesson is whack-a-mole. So you're going to follow the link on class charts to take you onto the word wall website, and you're going to whack the moles that have got all the words to do with capital punishment. Remember, you do not click on the wrong moles. Thank you.